Hi, it's Janelle here from GCA Consulting, and I have another video for you. Are you kind of like me where you would get so excited, start your business, and you just dive right into planning and marketing and what's next and talking about it with your friends? You might sign up for a Shopify subscription, try to build your own thing. I have seen a lot of people do this and I get it, but I would say the number one big thing that I see when I'm consulting with new business owners, especially small business or startups, they are already months in or even years in. And I ask them, what is your plan? What is your 5-year plan? What is your 10-year plan? What is your plan for this year? And they're kind of like going off the top of their heads. And then I ask them, like, do you have this written down? Do you have a business plan? And let me be conservative, 8 out of 10 times, the answer is a no. And I'm just like, that would save you so much stress, so much heartache. And then their reasoning is, oh, I don't need a business plan because I don't need a loan from the bank, or I don't need a business plan because I'm not applying for any grants. So I would say the number one biggest untruth is that you don't need a business plan. And I would say a close number two is that people think it takes so long and it's 100 pages, and that is not true either. So the truth is, a business plan could be 100 pages, yes. It could be 50 pages. I've seen business plans that are just a few pages, literally 2 to 3 pages. And I'll tell you a few key differences right now. So the big thing is the length of your business plan depends on the purpose of your business plan. So let's say the purpose of your business plan is to get a loan from the bank. Yes, this is going to be a substantial plan. They're going to ask for financials. They're going to ask for all these additional attachments, balance sheets, income statements. They're going to ask for more because you're trying to get something substantial like a loan. But then if you're applying for just a grant, which could be a little bit less, let's say if you're getting a loan from a bank, maybe you're looking for 50K, 100K, even more. But then there's grants that are around $5,000. There's a lot of those grants around. I'm looking at Toronto, so in different municipalities in the GTA, they have small business grants. And if you're in other places too, the same thing, check with your local municipality to see what sort of grants are available for startups or small businesses. $5,000 is like the bottom, then it goes up to 10, even 50. But when you get to the tens of thousands, then it requires a little bit more from your business plan. But for those micro grants, they just want a highly focused document and a little bit shorter because they're going through a lot of applications and they just want to see who deserves this $5,000 the most. Who will it actually benefit and why? And they're going to flip through your business plan and pick the best plan. And then another level of business plan that's even shorter than that is a plan for your team or your partner. So if you are in a partnership, you guys want to be on the same page. So it's just creating a quick document to make sure everyone within your partnership is aligned on where you're heading, what your goals are for this business, and what the future looks like. And then, last but not least, you have an even shorter plan that is for your eyes only. So I've seen a plan like this that's just a few pages, just to keep you in line of where you want your business to go. And it's just a 1 or 2 page plan that covers, okay, what are the products and services you're offering? What does your finances look like? What does your operations look like? How does your marketing look? And what's your growth plan? So you can outline those simple things in a few pages and just have an idea of what where your business is going and what that looks like. So I encourage you to stop stalling. Don't be afraid. Write a business plan. So I encourage you to stop stalling. And I have a simple free business plan template that I've used to grants, apply for loans successfully. And it is a 12-page now editable document that you can take out some things, insert things. The link to that editable template is in the description box, or visit gcaconsulting.group. And you can join our Business Planning 101 group, and it's free. And I'm actually going to go through this business plan template with you, and we can finish it up in 30 days or even less. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you start your business planning journey, and I hope this video was helpful for you. All right, bye.